Hi, this is Dee with Mobile Home Flipper. Do you know the different types of homes that you should be targeting? Let me talk about that. So we have our more aggressive rehabs, which are pretty extensive rehabs, typically end up taking anywhere between 3 weeks to 4 weeks to be done completely. And then we have our quick turns, which typically are done within a week and a half, possibly even up to 2 weeks. So with that being said, let me give you a prime example of what a 1.5 week turn looks like. We just acquired this one. This one is going to basically need carpet cleaning, some clean materials thrown in. I mean, they're actually pretty dang clean people. And they're cleaning it for us. So we just have minor touches, finishes you'll see throughout the house. The front door needs to be cleaned up. Ceiling needs some fixes. There's just minor touches. And then on all of our homes, we always check all the roofs. We check all the plumbing. We check the HVAC. So heating, ventilation, air conditioning. We check all the electrical. This one, we're going to update the light fixtures just so they're brighter. Any of the cosmetic defects we will address within the home as well. And then obviously you're normally going to have park required repairs that are typically going to be done. For us, a lot of times that is skirting, trim, cleanup, window screens, making sure there's blinds in the windows consistently throughout the home. Basically cleaning up the yard, making sure that's maintained, no debris there. We also will typically do porch maintenance and deck maintenance. Windows, make sure they're all sealed, make sure the roof is sealed so that there's no penetration coming through there as far as water. You know, those are the typical things that we typically will do within a very short period of time to be able to get this home back on the market. So, can you make money quick turns? Can you? Yes, but you got to know your numbers. You got to be getting it, fixing it, and putting it back on the market and hopefully selling it in the same market that you bought it in. If you wait too long to get on these repairs, let's say, for instance, you're working a 9 to 5. This should work for you with quick turns. As long as you have a good process for listing, marketing, and selling of the homes, you should have a really good way and opportunity to be able to get in and get out of these homes quickly. If you're waiting for yourself 9 to 5 to be able to come in and do it, you can't answer the phone during the day when people are calling, you're not willing to work on weekends, you know, you're probably going to have to farm this out to somebody and get somebody else to help you with not only doing the repairs, but also helping to answer the phone to get the home sold. You have to get people in and out of it. And the other thing is, too, is with our market, if you don't take care of or basically answer the phone live, you lose them. If you're trying to follow up all the time, it just doesn't work so well. Texting ends up being typically a better option, but most people are immediate gratification. They want answers today. If they're interested right now, the shiny subject, they want to be able to have their hands on it, get the answer, and be able to go take a look at it. So pretty common if you can't get on the home to do the repairs and get it listed quickly, and there's a lot of different techniques, we'll do another video on that, then you're going to have a hard time getting in and getting out of it and preserving your funds on a quick turn. Quick turns, like I said, are typically you're paying more for the home. You're doing light touches on the home to get it fresh, bright, cleaned up, make it appealing for the park, make it appealing for buyers, price it a bit higher than what you bought it for, and then making sure that you're answering calls and getting people in and out of this home so that they can have a good prospective buyer to be able to hopefully go qualify for the park and then cash you out of this. So this is a prime example of a quick flip.